Welcome back to Mr. Hero's channel. My name's Evelyn and we have a new guest, Mrs. Tasneem. We have all the trucks ready to play.
Hooray!
Are you ready to play? Yes. This is a garbage truck. It's yellow and green. This is a fire truck. It's red and white.
Hooray!
This is a tow truck. It's yellow and blue. This is a dump truck. It's yellow and black.
Hooray!
This is a green crane. Hello, my name is Sam. I drive a garbage truck.
Hooray!
I am the one who comes every week to pick up the garbage. I am the one who gets your garbage every week. Hello, my name is Rob and I drive a fire truck.
Hooray!
I come and help when there's a fire. Hello, my name is Peter.
Hooray!
I drive a tow truck. When your car is broke down, I come. Hello, my name is Leah and I drive a dump truck. I build and give resources to builders. I think it's Monday. I'm gonna go pick up the garbage. Oh no, I think there's a fire somewhere. I have to go, it's an emergency. Oh no, I think a car broke down. I have to go.
Hooray!
Oh no, the builders need boulders. Let me go to the crane to get some.
Hooray!
Hello, builder. Can you please put some rocks in my truck? Yes, I need your help. Can you put my rocks away? Yes.
Hooray!
Bye. Thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe and see you next time.